Hey, it's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what kind of problems you've got for me to solve today. I was given a pie crust and my man and I don't love traditional pie or even quiche, but I would love any recipes that might use it in other ways. Please help. I hate to waste. I hate to waste too. So let's figure out a way to make that pie dough into something that isn't pie or quiche. Pie dough. We got some pie dough here. In order to make flavors wonderful and straightforward, we're gonna make little hand pies. You know, she did say she hated traditional pie, which I assume means dessert pie. So let's keep savory in the running here. Spinach and cream cheese. I think we're gonna use the ham. Thinking spinach and cream cheese is one, ham and cheddar is another, and then maybe we'll do like artichokes, some blistered red onion, little tomato paste. Let's do it. I'm just gonna saute some garlic, just crush it. Olive oil. I'm gonna go with black pepper. Hit it with a little bit of salt. I'm just gonna go right in with my spinach. We're just gonna hit that on low and let a little more of the moisture come out, but that's pretty much it. All right, I got a red onion here. We'll take this end off, lose the skin. Some big chunks of olive oil yet again. Come in with our onions. I'm making like a rustic, quick onion tomato sauce over here. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of tomato paste and some water to thin it out. And then over here, we got our spinach. Looks good to me, I'm gonna kill it. So that we can mix up with a little bit of cream cheese. I think I'll just put a little more in there. Let's just get some artichokes right in here. Mix that around. How are we doing on these onions? They're burning. That's what I want. I'm gonna hit these with a little bit of salt and get some red pepper flakes from the package drawer. Just try to spice this up a bit. A little tomato paste. Boom, 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 boom. Just toast that up. And a little water to make a sauce. I'm killing that. We got this spicy tomato sauce here. To me, I think we should be making a spicy pizza pockets. We need a cheese. That's ready. Ham and cheese right into the pie. Spinach, artichoke, cream right into the pie. Spicy tomato, string cheese right into the pie. We got 3 flavors, so let's roll out this dough. We got some flour here. I'm just gonna throw it on the counter. I got some pie dough here. Okay. A little more flour on top so that it doesn't stick. And I'm just gonna go center out, rotate. I'm just gonna start squaring these off. This right here, let's just fold these up and over the edges. We've got a defined landing area. Here are our little pizza pockets. I wanna rip it apart so that it melts nicely. I got a little bit of cheese left over here. We'll do it in the ham and cheese one. Basically, there's cheese in every single one, subsidized by your tax dollars. Got some ham, got some cheddar on there. This is screaming for something. Dijon mustard from the packet drawer. Probably could have mixed this into something well first, but it is what it is. Spinach artichoke. Put a little water here because it wasn't sealing. I'm trying to see if I can get around the egg wash. Up and over. Let's give it the old fork crimp. Coming in with the water. Boom, boom. Pizza one. Coming up and over on the spinach artichoke. Up and over. Crimp, 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 crimp. I'm gonna make 3 slits because I feel like if this were an industrial pie pocket, that's what there would be. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nothing needs to be cooked here. We just need brown crust, melted cheese. Into the oven. Yes! They look like little toaster strudels. Spinach, artichoke, ham and cheese, spicy tomato pizza. They do all smell glorious. Presentation score, it should probably have an egg wash. My manufacturing, not so great. This one right here is looking pretty good. This one right here, not so much. I'm giving them a 6 on looks. Cutting it. Oh, crumbling in my hands. Very nice. Very creamy, a little one note on the salt, but the pie balances that pretty well. Nice little crust section there. Flaky, cheesy, salty. This is much better than the spinach one. Let's go to the pizza pocket. It's definitely looking oniony. It smells great, I'll tell you. Very spicy. Very good. I'm giving the spinach artichoke cream cheese one a 7 on flavor. It needs a little work to get up there. And also, I feel like the spinach was cooked a little too much. 7. Ham and cheese, 8. Classic combo. We just need to put more in there. So the ratio of flaky crust to cheesy hammy filling is more in the favor of cheesy hammy filling. And the pizza, well, I've eaten all of it. So I guess it's getting a 9. It's absolutely delicious, just missing a little bit of cheese for me. 7, 8, 9 comes to 8. We got 6 overall in the looks. That gives it a 14, and I'm sorry. That's a 70. Is that passing? Just passing. So the challenge was to use pie dough in a way where we're not making a pie. We achieved that today. We made hand pies, hand pockets. 1, they're easy to make. 2, you want to keep the fillings as simple as possible. Go forth and make your own custom hand pocket pies. If only I had 0.14159 more plates out here, then we'd have pie.